Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to copy your Facebook profile link. Whether you want to share your profile with friends, family, or use it for professional purposes, this simple process will guide you through it. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, tap your profile picture or name at the top of the screen to navigate to your profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page, where you can view all your posts, photos, and other information. Now, look for the 3 dots next to Add to Story. These dots represent a menu with additional options for your profile. Tap on them to open this menu. You'll see several choices, but don't worry, we're just getting started. Scroll down through the menu until you reach the bottom. Here, you'll find the option to Copy Link. This is what we're looking for. Tap Copy Link, and Facebook will automatically copy your profile URL to your device's clipboard. With your profile link copied, you can now share it anywhere you like. Whether it's in a message, on another social media platform, or via email, the process is straightforward. Simply paste the link wherever you need it, and you're done. This method works not just for your own profile, but also for anyone else's profile you might want to share. Just navigate to their profile, follow the same steps, and you'll have their link ready to go. Copying your Facebook profile link is a useful skill, especially if you're looking to connect with others online or promote your profile for personal or professional reasons. It's quick, easy, and accessible on both mobile devices and desktops. Thanks for watching, and we hope this updated guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using social media effectively.